Hi, welcome to the JavaScript Promises Wait For It video series. In this series, we're going to dive deep into how JavaScript promises work, how they're built, how you can use them with confidence. This series is made up of short, focused videos. I'll keep adding more over time, and together they'll give you everything you need to know about promises served in bite-sized chunks, so it'll be easy to follow and absorb. This micro-series is a companion to the missing guide courses on Udemy. You'll find a link to them in the playlist description. So, promises were created to make asynchronous programming easier in JavaScript, and they did such a great job that they can sometimes feel like magic. But in programming, magic usually means you don't know what's really happening behind the scenes. And that becomes a problem when something breaks. If you don't understand the internals, you're stuck. Take the async await pattern, for example. If you ask some developers how it works, they may say something like that the functions run in the background. But that's not possible in JavaScript. JavaScript is single-threaded. There is no background. Nothing can run in the background. There's only one thing that can run at a time. Now, actually, to be more precise, there are things like web workers, and they do allow real background processing, but those are separate from promises, and for the sake of this series, we'll just ignore them. We'll stick to the idea that JavaScript cannot run two pieces of code at the same time. Now, here's the twist. When you await a promise, it's not just that nothing runs in the background. In fact, nothing runs at all. At least not until something resolves or rejects the promise. So the confusion here comes from how async await hides all the messy bits underneath. And that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video series. Now, at this point, you may be wondering, if JavaScript can only do one thing at a time, how is async programming even possible? And that's exactly what we're going to cover in the next video, so stay tuned.